Hi, I'm Teacher Johanny, and let us begin our online math class. Our lesson for today is factoring a general trinomial whose leading coefficient is 1. It refers to a general trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c, which is actually a quadratic trinomial, having 1 as its leading coefficient. Factoring is as simple as finding two numbers, m and n, whose product equals the last term c and whose sum equals the coefficient of the middle term b. For instance, to factor x squared plus 6x plus 8, we need two numbers like 2 and 4, which when multiplied will equal the last term, which is 8. And when added, will equal the coefficient of the middle term, which is 6. Thus, the final answer is the factored form of the quantity of x plus or minus m times the quantity of x plus or minus n, or the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 4, as in our example. Let's have a sample problem. Factor completely the given polynomial as shown. Since it's in the form of a general trinomial with 1 as the leading coefficient, factor according to the pattern indicated in the factored form. The first step is to create two blank pairs of parentheses. The second step is to find the square root of the first term p squared. Just divide the exponent by 2 and instantly we shall have its square root, which is p. Then, copy p as the first terms. The third step is to list all the factor pairs for the last term -6. We know that the factor pairs of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. But since -6 is a negative number, then we have to include negative factors also. Therefore, expand the factor pair list to include the following: 1 and -6, -1 and 6, 2 and -3, -2 and 3. The fourth step is to find which factor pair which when added gives a sum equivalent to the middle term b or +5. Proceed by adding the factors. We shall find that by adding factor pair -1 and 6, we shall get a sum of 5 equivalent to the middle term b. Therefore, these numbers will represent the two numbers m and n. That will lead us to the fifth step. We got factor pair -1 and 6. The sixth and final step is just copy these numbers as the second terms. Thus, the final answer to this factoring problem is the factored form, the quantity of p minus 1 times the quantity of p plus 6. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Johanny. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and tap the bell button to get timely notifications so you won't be missing out future lessons.